Welcome to Class TV. I name myself Alewi Tosin. We are taking deductive proofs. And on deductive proofs, we will be considering some topics. One, we'll be taking angles on parallel lines. We'll be taking some of exterior angle theory. That is exterior angle of a triangle. We'll be taking corresponding angles. We'll talk about congruencies of triangles. We also talk about similar triangles. But on this video, we shall be talking about angles on parallel lines. What is a parallel line? Parallel lines are lines that will never meet. They are lines that will never meet each other. And we always have this to show that this is a parallel line. Now, we are talking about angles on parallel lines. The line that is drawn like this to intersect the parallel lines, we call this the transversal line. The transversal line. That's the line that cuts across parallel lines. Now we'll be considering some theorems. Firstly, let's talk about corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Now, if you have this angle here as A, this as B, this angle corresponds this angle, and which means that A is equal to B from corresponding angles. We can also say that this angle B also corresponds C. We need to study the position of those angles, which still means that angle B is equal to angle C. Whatever these angles are what these should be. Now, also that we can say that this also corresponds this. Let's call this side angle C, and this was angle E. Which means that this also corresponds this. Let's call this our F. So from this, we can see that angle D corresponds E. Angle E corresponds F. And also angle D. This angle D corresponds angle F. And the same way too, you can see that angle A also corresponds angle C. So these are corresponding angles. We can have lots of corresponding angle from this. Also, if you have something like this, you can say that this angle here too corresponds this. Let's call it G, and let's call this H. So you can see that this angle corresponds that's angle G also corresponds angle H. You can have them like that. On our own, you can still get more corresponding angles when you understand what the concept of corresponding angles truly means. Now, that is corresponding angle. Let's take alternate angles. Now let's take alternate angles. When you look at this angle alternates this. It does what? That angle alternates this. So we say that we can say our A alternates B, which means A is equal to B. And we can say that let's call this D. This is D alternates E. So you can say that what D is equals to what E. Now you can pick as many as much more examples there. You can also say that this E, okay, alternates D. We said that. You can say that this, let me call this G, also G also alternates H. G equals what? H. So without taking our time, we can pick as much more. We can pick many more stuffs there, more alternate angles there. Now let's take the next one. All these theorems are what we need. You can also, let's take this one. We call it vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal, which is that if this is A, it's equal to what? B. And if it is what? C, it's equal to what? D. It's equal to D. So when we call them what? Vertically opposite angles, when they are backing each other like this. And also this one, so consider what D is equal to what? C. The vertical opposite angle. You can also have something like this. This is vertically opposite to this. Let's call this E and let's call this F. So we can say that E is vertically opposite to what? F. So when angles are vertically opposite to each other, we say they are also what? They are equal. So we say now, this one, let's talk about adjacent angles. Now we say X is at adjacent side to what? To Y. So X and Y, they are what? Adjacent to each other. So when we have adjacent angles, we say that what they are what? Supplementary. What does it mean for angles to be supplementary? It means the sum of the angles X plus Y is equal to what? 180 degrees. So we say that adjacent angles are what? Supplementary. So in our subsequent in the next video, we'll be taking more examples on this. At least this introduces what? The topic. I name myself Aliwi Tosin. Thank you.